Hey guys, do you think pruning roses is hard? Well, it really isn't. I'm getting ready to go out and prune my roses, and I was reminded of a video that I shot several years ago with my daughter Rachel, teaching her how easy it was to prune roses. You know, gardening gets a lot simpler when the advice fits real life. This is Real World Horticulture.
Horticulturist Gary Bachman. It's time for another daily dose of hort. Today we're going to do a demonstration on how to prune roses, which should have been done like last month, but I've had other things going on. And today helping me is my youngest, Rachel Schmidt. Her husband Jacob's off over on the side door. Oh, there he is. We got you on camera. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and going to show Rachel how to prune roses, so when she goes back to her house, she can handle all the rose pruning. So many roses. The first thing we need to do is, we got to get the equipment. So and I'm just going to come up a little closer here so Kate can see. Nice pair of bypass pruners. These are Coronas. These are really nice. For bigger branches, you're going to need a set of loppers, just for the power to cut through more woody stems. And if you're pruning roses, working with roses at all, you need gloves. And since Rachel's going to be doing all the pruning here today, she's wearing a pair. These are the rose gauntlet gloves from Foxglove. They're a synthetic. They really feel good, and I like them. But since she's going to be doing the pruning, you got to wear them.
Yeah.
But they feel soft and pliable, so she'll be able to handle the pruners right. Always want to sharpen your tools. This is just a little tungsten carbide tool from Corona, and you just 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the burrs off the back. Now we're ready to go. So just hang on. Let us get started, and we're going to start pruning some roses. So now we're ready to cut. We're all sharp. Rachel's got the hand pruners, and what she's going to do is we're going to clean up some of these wild hair branches that are coming around the outside, and go ahead, and we always want to prune. Come in here, Kate, and see. We want to prune by not by my finger, but by buds that are popping out.
Okay, so above it or below it?
Above it, right about in there. That's good, right there. Let's go ahead and they say prune right in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got the leaf. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay. It'll survive. Here, let's cut this one off right there.
Okay.
And what we're going to do is we're going to continue doing this, and once we get this cleaned up, then we're going to get the loppers out for her so she can cut some of this material. One of the things we want to do when we're cleaning up roses is when we get these crossing branches here. So Rachel's going to take her pruners right down in that area there and prune that crosser out.
The whole thing?
The whole thing.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Look out. Okay, now Rachel has, a lot of the wild hair branches cleaned up on this. Now it's time, I'm going to trade pruners with you, upgrade to the loppers. We use the loppers because the hand pruners just aren't big enough to make these cuts here. So what Rachel's going to do now, she's going to take the loppers and she's going to start taking these big canes off. Now this one, Rach, I just want you to cut it right about there.
Okay.
And just swift and hard.
Ah, sorry, Mama.
Well, Kate was just in the action zone there. She wanted to get that close up, and she learned something. Okay.
That won't happen again.
That won't happen again. Okay, Rach, come in here. This one, do it there, and go boop. Oh no, okay.
I thought you said do a boop.
I know, but
I'm scared of it.
that's okay. There's nothing to be scared of. Okay. Yeah, I know. Okay. This one, I want you to cut it right about there. Now when you come into it. Okay, now slowly.
All the way back. That's my problem.
Slowly close it. Okay, now. Ooh. There. See? A little more under control. Okay, let's do let's do this one right about there. Down there. Okay. See? Way better than kind of like bear trapping, right? Okay. Let's do this one like right about there. There you go. Let's do this one right in here.
Just randomly picking lights.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then let's do this one. Let's do this one like right in there. There you go. See, it got easier as you went through it, right? It's not a scary process to prune.
There's thorns.
Yes, there are thorns, but now we've got that big out of control rose bush down manageable. It looks like this is pretty extreme, but it's really not, and it's a way to open up the plant, make room for the new growth this year. For us to enjoy the rose. Well, as you can see, I think Rachel did a pretty fantastic job with this rose bush. I'm going to pass the baton or pass the pruners.
Thanks, Gary. Now she could take care of it at home.
Way to go, Rach.
If this video helps you grow better and avoid mistakes, hit subscribe. My videos are all about practical gardening that actually works. This is Real World Horticulture.
So we're all finished. Rachel did a fantastic job, and she's ready to go home and prune some roses. Oh, where's she? Oh,
Thanks,
wait,
Gary.
well, we got to do this again. Well, looking at this, Rachel has done a really good job, and I think she knows what to do now.
Thanks,
Jake?
Gary. Now she can take care of it at the house.
Right. You want to try that again?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, as you can see, I think Rachel's done a pretty good job pruning this rose bush.
Thanks, Gary. Now she can take care of it at home.
Okay, wait a second. Go ahead, do it again.